This week's Aviation 101 Fun Facts aircraft is the Boeing 777X. The 777X, which consists of two variants, the 777-8 and 777-9, is a twin-engine, long-range, wide-body jetliner. The 777X project was developed to compete with the revamped Airbus A350 XWB. The first 777X, which is currently still in the final development stages, is scheduled to be delivered to Lufthansa Airlines during the first quarter of 2026. The 777X will offer changes from existing 777s, which include composite wings with folding wingtips, greater seating capacity with a greater cabin width, and the advanced technologies from the Boeing 787. Powered by two GE9X-105B1A engines, the 777X variant 777-8 will seat 395 passengers and have a range of 8,745 nautical miles, which is 16,190 kilometers or 10,050 miles. The 9 variant will seat 414 to 426 passengers and has a range of 7,285 nautical miles, 13,500 kilometers, or 8,383 miles. There is also a 777-8F cargo variant being developed, which will hold up to 31 pallets and have a range of 4,410 nautical miles, 8,170 kilometers, or 5,075 miles. The first flight of the Boeing 777X was on January 25th, 2020. As of September 24, 2024, 503 of these aircraft variants have been ordered, with the first to be delivered during the first quarter of 2025. Currently, 4 have been built.